Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make Chicken Malai Tikka. For that I'll need 4 chicken thighs. The reason being using chicken thighs instead of chicken breast is that the breast will dry out pretty quick inside the oven, and the thigh has a better moisture retention. It takes a bit longer to cook, but that is okay in the long run. And for the marination, I'll need some hung curd, some chilies, a few sprigs of coriander, some lemon juice, some processed cheese, salt, pepper, kasuri methi, some cashews, some butter, ginger, garlic, and some oil. Now I have turned all my marinating ingredients into powders and pastes. So I'll start assembling my marinade. I'll take some hung curd, add a little bit of ginger garlic paste, around 2 teaspoons, around 1 teaspoon of cashew paste, around 2 teaspoons of chili and coriander paste, ten grams of grated cheese, some butter, and juice of 1 lemon. You can also use vinegar. What this does is, it basically helps the chicken to tenderize. And I will also add some cream. Now it's time to add the powdered spices. I'll take some salt, around a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, you can also use white pepper, a teaspoon of garam masala, and some kasuri methi. Now make sure that you toast the kasuri methi before adding into the marinade. Now I'll mix the marinade into a fine paste. Now my marinade is ready. I'll add the chicken thighs into it. And I will coat them nicely with my marinade. Now the marinade has nicely coated the chicken. I will put this in the fridge for around 8 to 10 hours, or ideally overnight. Now the chicken has marinated overnight. You might have noticed that I did not add the oil in the beginning. The reason behind that is the oil will retard the tenderization process. So I will add it now. If I don't add oil, the chicken will become dry upon cooking. Now I'll mix it with my hand. And I'll take a piece and cut it into smaller size so that I can put them in my skewers. Around 4 pieces will come from one thigh. But if you have a bigger thigh, you can do 6 pieces. It's up to you. Now I have cut the chicken into smaller pieces. I will start putting them into skewers. I am using bamboo skewers, but you can use metal ones if you have. Now my skewers are ready. It's time to bake them. For that, I'll take a little bit of oil on my baking tray and spread it. Now I'll place my skewers on my baking tray. And I will bake them for 8 to 10 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius. So I'll put them in the oven and set the time. Now it has been 8 minutes. Now it's time to take the tikkas out of the oven. Now they have cooked beautifully. Now it's time to smoke them. Now the chicken has cooked perfectly. Now it's time to smoke it. So what I'll do is I'll take a piece of coal and place it on my burner and fire it up. Now while my coal fires up, I'll take the tikkas and place them in a glass bowl. Now the coal is red hot, so I'll put it in a steel bowl and place it over my chicken. Now what I'll do is I'll pour some ghee so that it begins to smoke, and I'll cover it up. Now what it does is it creates a smoky environment for the chicken, will imparts the smoky flavor which would have otherwise gotten into the chicken through a tandoor. So because I have baked it in the oven, I have done this. What it also does is it helps the chicken to relax a bit. So all the juices that have accumulated in the center, they go back to all the sides.